Hello, my name is Mrs Trenouth and I run the GCSE Textiles Art course, which is part of the Expressive Art department. It's an opportunity to explore art through the medium of textiles. You will try out different techniques such as printing, dyeing, weaving and embroidery, but we also take it into the 21st century where we go with using 3D printing, sublimation printing, and we also use the laser cutter in various ways to produce fabrics. The creation of your work is entirely up to you and how you do it. The course itself is divided into two parts. We have a portfolio that you create that is a sketchbook of all the work you do throughout the course, and we also have a final exam where you produce a final piece based on research around a question that is given to you in good time in January, ready for the exam in May. It's a really interesting course, and it's not just about sewing and fashion. It's one of the courses that you can take that's creative and not using a pencil and pen and paper for your work. You do have to be able to draw. There's no escaping that. It is an art course, but the focus is more on the creation of textiles and textiles pieces. The course itself can lead you into various professions, including teaching, fashion buying for the industry, fashion designer, textile artist, and also it can lead you into theatre through costuming and various outlets through that sort of area. It's a really interesting course. It contains lots of exciting things that you can do and things that you've probably never thought of as textiles. And if you're really interested in it, you can contact me more through the school email in the normal way. Here we have examples of work that I mentioned that the students do and that you would do if you took up this course. These are prints that are done through an ordinary school printer and are glued onto fabric, and it transfers the design. We do small pieces because we do small samples so that you can then experiment further with each individual one, and if you choose to use that, you can then do a bigger scale one. The next picture is of hand sewing. This is a project based on Edo Morales, who we did as a research into a designer and artist where he sews onto individual faces. Although this young lady has high skills of hand embroidery, this can be repeated with sewing machines and machine embroidery. So if you're thinking that your skills aren't up to that level, don't worry, we have ways and means around them, and practice makes perfect. Here we have an example of weaving. We worked with the Wisbech Museum. An artist came in and worked for us and with us, and we did work on slavery and modern day slavery. A lot of the words within there are meanings and thoughts of the people that did the work. And our final picture is of Emily Noma. She is one of the artists we've looked at, and this young lady who produced this book, she put all together a design page about the young Emily and worked on various ways and methods that she uses to decorate fabric.